welcome to Class Connect study series with Yusuf Arikewuyo. Today we shall be examining the concept of physics. Physics is a branch of science that studies the nature and properties of matter and its corresponding energy. By matter, we mean anything that has mass or magnitude and occupies space. Just like other fields, like engineering, where we have engineers, banking and finance, where we have bankers, accountants, and the likes. People who study physics are called physicists. The study of physics can be at two levels. That is, we can study physics at the classical level, called the classical physics, or we can study physics at the modern level, which of course is called modern physics. Classical physics refers to the physics done prior to the emergence of modern physics. At the classical level, or at classical physics, we do not consider particles that move very close to the speed of light. Calculations or measurements done at the classical physics level do not necessarily consider the speed of light, and as such, they do not consider the microscopic interactions of matter. At the classical physics level, just like we said earlier, we do not consider particles that move very close to the speed of light, neither do we consider atomic and subatomic particles. Concepts studied in the classical level include Newton's laws of motion, the Maxwell's equation of electromagnetism. Modern physics deals with the aspect of physics that studies matter with respect to atomic and subatomic particles, while also considering the speed of light. Physics as a science subject can be divided into different areas, such as mechanics, thermodynamics, waves and oscillations, electricity and magnetism, optics, and of course, modern physics. When studying mechanics, we are looking at concepts that are associated with motion or movement. In thermodynamics, we consider the concept of heat and temperature. In waves and oscillations, we observe or we consider the movement or the patterns in which a disturbance moves or the patterns in which a disturbance emerges or migrates. At electricity and magnetism, we try to consider the interaction or the relationship that exists between electricity and magnetism. That is, we talk about charges such as positive and negative and the likes. Optics considers the visible and the invisible aspects of light. And of course, modern physics is associated with recent happenings in the field of science and how it contributes effectively and actively to the development of the world. Let's now consider the economic importance of physics. Some economic importance of physics include technological advancements, improved communication, improved transport systems, and of course, job creation. When we consider the advancements in technology, that is technological advancements, we consider the output or the efficiency in technological systems. Prior to the usage of modern technology, the output from an industry is usually less compared to when industrial technology are used. For example, the use of pulley makes it very easy for heavy loads to be moved from one point to another. When we consider improved communication system, it is easy for us to be at one point and navigate the entire world without moving away from our rooms. With a very good internet connection, we can navigate the entire world. It is easy for us to pick up our phones and communicate with one another. But we also consider the improved transportation systems. We find out that in the pre-industrial era or in ancient times, the major mode of transportation was by leg or maybe by horse, which of course makes it stressful to cover a certain distance. But with advent of modern transport systems such as the jets, cars, aeroplanes and the likes, there is improvement in the transportation system. And also there is the provision of job for most people. For physicists, they have their job being those who study physics. And for some aspects such as astrophysics, geophysics, econophysics, to mention a few, all these people were able to get jobs due to physics. Fields related to physics. Some fields related to physics include astrophysics, biophysics, electronics, chemical physics, econophysics, amongst others. Thanks so much for watching. Hope to see you in our next class, and please do not forget to subscribe and click on the notification button. Thank you.